Picture this. You're at home, comfortable on your couch, tablet in hand, about to binge watch your favorite series. Suddenly, a friend drops by with their laptop, asking for your Wi-Fi password. A simple request, yet one that leaves you stumped. You set the password years ago, and since all your devices auto-connect, you have no idea what it is. Don't panic. Thankfully, finding that elusive Wi-Fi password isn't as hard as it seems. First, on a Windows computer, open the Control Panel. Navigate to Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center, and click on Connections. This brings up the Wi-Fi status window. Click on Wireless Properties, switch to the Security tab, and check Show Characters. Voila! There sits your Wi-Fi password, no longer a secret. For macOS users, the process is slightly different. Open Keychain Access from the Utilities folder of your applications. In the search bar, type in the name of your Wi-Fi network. Double-click the name of your network, and a new window will appear. Check the Show Password box, and after entering your admin password, your Wi-Fi password will reveal itself. But what if you're on a mobile device? Android users, unfortunately, cannot view saved Wi-Fi passwords without root access. However, if you have a router, you can log into its settings page. Look at the bottom or back of the router for the default IP address and admin login details. Enter this IP address into your browser, log in, navigate to the wireless or Wi-Fi section, and you should find your password there. Let's not forget our friends using iOS. While Apple does not provide a direct method to see Wi-Fi passwords, you can use iCloud keychain synchronization with a Mac to reveal it. Or you can use third-party apps that require your Apple ID and password. To summarize, you can find your Wi-Fi password through several methods depending on your device. Windows and macOS users can find it through their system settings, while Android users will need to access their router settings. iOS users may need to use iCloud Keychain or a third-party app. A quick tip: once you've found your Wi-Fi password, write it down and keep it in a safe place. Or better yet, save it in a password manager. So, the next time a friend asks for your Wi-Fi password, you won't have to rack your brains or rummage through old papers. You'll know exactly where to find it. And who knows, you might just save the day for someone else in the same predicament. That's all for now. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep sharing your knowledge with the world.